So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer data between two pen drives, or two flash drives, or two jump drives, whatever you want to call it, or two external drives, without actually holding the data within the PC itself and taking up a lot of PC space. It's pretty simple, relatively easy, anybody can do it, so let's go through that right now. Right, so these are my two flash drives that I'm going to transfer, interchange data from one to the other. I've got the red one is a 1 GB flash drive and the white one is a 32 GB flash drive. So I'm going to transfer data between these two drives. What I'm going to do first, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug in my two flash drives. This one here into this USB hub. USB extension. I've got this plugged in now and they should be both connected to my computer and both displayed it within my PC or this PC. Okay, so what we got here now, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the yellow folder at the bottom on the icon tray at the bottom, click on that, and then we want to go to, we've got the star here, click on the arrow and Windows Explorer. So this is where we are now. So we go to, these are the two drives here, volume and SDXC. If you click on this PC, you can see them better. This allows you to, like the dashboard or the overview of all your drives and folders. So if you click on one of them here, so this is the red one in the picture, this is the red flash drive, that's the white one. So if I just double click on this one here, right, so this is the contents of that folder. If I create a new folder, call it test, for example, just say that this was already on there, call it test 1, and a new one called test 2, copy, example. Right, so these two folders we're going to copy from this flash drive to the white flash drive near in the picture. So if you click on that, hold down the control key to highlight both. We're going to right click and go to send to, and we're going to send to the larger 32 GB white flash drive here, which is a new volume one. So you click on that, that will automatically copy those onto the other flash drive. So now if we go back up here, click on the arrow, go to new volume. Those two folders are now on there. So basically it has transferred the folders across from the original, from the source flash drive to the destination one without putting a copy on the computer whatsoever. So now what I'm going to do is go back to the source, and I can now safely delete these two because they've been copied. So hold the control key down and left click on those and hit the delete key. Do I want to permanently delete these? Yes, I do, because I just created them. So you can now safely delete the ones from your source if that's what you want to do, because they are now copied. So that's how you do that, and I hope you really enjoyed this and helped you a lot. It's very easy, very straightforward. Anybody can do that. If you didn't know how to do it, now you should be able to do it. I hope you like, subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much and have a great evening.